Here we go again. My name is Adrian Ogden. I live in Halifax. And I've got a right deep voice, I have. Watch me go do some skiing. Woohoo! See, I can do jumps just as well as that Mark Smith. I can. Down there is Paul Scaife. As I say, my name is Adrian Ogden and I'm going to do off-piste skiing. They don't do off-piste skiing in Halifax, but we're not in Halifax, so let's go and do it. Fuck it! I'm not. Got that jump, spot on. Hang on. This here, hang on a minute. This here is Paul Scaife. Yeah. Hello Paul. I'm Adrian Ogden. Adrian Ogden.
Let me see how well you ski down there.
I'm an off-piste skier. And I come from Halifax.
Halifax, let me see how good you are.
I'm going this way.
That way?
This way. This is nice up here.
Yeah, I've got beer on board.
Beer on board.